These are arithmetic operators. Operator plus, this is for addition, obviously. Minus for subtraction, multiplication, division, and this is modulo, mod, percentage sign. We used to had that thing, mod function, mod. This is exponent, double star, and this is div, floor division. Okay, so let's check. See, x divided by x mod y x. Okay, so this is modulo division. And this is called floor division. Floor division, or we call it what? We call it div. Okay. Here are the results. Now, जी question screen change हो गई भाई हो गई screen change कर दी. हालांकि मैंने भी अपने पास एक इंस्टेंस खोला हुआ उसमें नजर नहीं पड़ी गई. ओके, नाउ आपने ये देख लिए पाइथन अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स.